everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And as y'all can see by the title, Christmas came early this year, man. 26 King Wavy hooked me up with some products, and I'm gonna review them now and try them out and tell you guys what I like about them, tell you guys what I might not like about them. I mean, I don't really think there's anything I don't like about 26 King Wavy products, but if y'all wondering where I get my do-rags and everything, my 26 King Wavy products from, the link is in my description. Use the discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off all of your 26 King Wavy products. But without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, so it's snowing outside, alright? So let's start with something a little warm. Something a little warm, you feel me? 26 King Wavy, man. He sent me this in the freaking mail, man. The big 26 merch. This is a sweatshirt. It's getting a little chilly outside, you feel me? Sweatshirt or hoodie season. How you put this on? Oh, snap. Okay. Feels good. It's a little warm and everything. Matches the do-rag. Next thing 26 sent me was this butter moisturizer, you feel me? This is one of my favorite moisturizers in the game, man. It smells amazing. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna read the ingredients for y'all, alright? Shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, fragrance oil, and essential oil. Smells amazing. I love the texture and the shine it adds to my hair. If y'all want this moisturizer, link in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. Next thing he sent me, bro, was this hair oil. This bottle is huge, man. Compared to the last bottle, this junk is, before I tell y'all what I really love about this bottle, I'm gonna read the ingredients for y'all. So we got organic Moroccan, that's what it says, Moroccan organ oil, sweet almond oil, organic sunflower oil, avocado oil, rice bran oil, and vitamin E. My favorite feature with this bottle, well, I got two favorites. So it's like matte black. You can't really see through it. It's like, I love the feel of it. It's like matte. So now you can't really open it. So if you got little brothers and sisters, they want to go through your stuff, you can't open it like this. You ever seen the medicine bottles where like you have to push down on it in order to open it? That's how this bottle is. So when you close it, it locks. Let me know if y'all can hear that. It's not opening, right? Now when you push down on it, look, push down. When you push down on it, it clicks. Now it opens. That's what I really love about this bottle. It's very secure, and you just push and take out your oil that you want to use, and that's it. I'm gonna try out these two products. I didn't moisturize my hair yet, so I'm gonna moisturize it now and show you guys the result. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer first. This is a butter and moisturizer, alright? 2-in-1. Alright y'all, so these are the products by 26 King Wavy, and I approve, man. Y'all want these products? Link in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. What you waiting on? Go get that right now, man. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little product review, and I just titled it Christmas Came Early this shit because literally these are my Christmas gifts. I'm 26 King Wavy. Go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Like I said before, link in my description. Appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 200K. Let's get it. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here.